Hey guys, today I am going to show you everything but the bone chicken salad. And just kind of something that I came up with. I am working on my freeze dryer video right now as we speak. And I wanted to do something with the skins. And one of my favorite ways to eat these skins is actually with chicken salad. So I decided to use the skins and some of the chicken from the freeze dryer video that I am making to make myself some chicken salad. So I will show you that process and then we will meet back here while you can watch me eat it. Here is the finished salad, and my favorite way to eat it is with these skins. What I fry these in, it's actually a combination of rendered tallow and bacon grease. I save absolutely everything. Absolutely everything. I don't get rid of anything at this point in time, whether it's the broth from the bones, the leftover from the ribs, or if it's the chicken carcass, or if it's, I use absolutely everything. So I deep fried these in the combination of tallow and bacon grease. I made my own mayonnaise. I still use my own mayonnaise, and that video, I can link that up above. I have done that for quite a while now. It's still the one that gives me no problems. You could use avocado mayonnaise or whatever mayonnaise you want. I do use sweet pickle relish. This guy right here, it's an organic one. It is Simple Truth Organic. It does have sugar in it, but y'all know I'm low carb now, not carnivore. So some days I have a few more carbs and other days it's almost nothing. And then mustard of your choice. I used just plain old French's yellow mustard. You could do a Dijon, anything like that. And then I just added salt. I used to add some celery powder or celery seed. I just don't do that anymore. You could absolutely add that. Paprika might be really good in this just to give it a little bit of a kind of smoky flavor. And then dig in, you know, if you really wanted to. You could also add some bacon bits to it. That would probably be fantastic, like the bacon topped deviled eggs, which is kind of, you know, very similar to what this is. So I'll take a bite for you. It's so good. So this is probably maybe 6 ounces of chicken thigh, 1 whole egg, maybe a quarter cup of mayonnaise. Like, there was a lot of mayonnaise. A teaspoon of mustard, probably a tablespoon of the sweet relish, and then these skins. I'm probably going to eat at least 6 of them. I may throw some bacon in there as well. But I just want to give you guys a quick recipe that you might really enjoy. And this is something you could also take with you to an event. And you know that everything in here is safe and you can make an entire meal out of this stuff. It is fantastic. It's even better if it sits in the fridge overnight so that all the flavors kind of marinate together. So you can make a large batch of it and then eat it throughout the week. Super simple and really, really yummy recipe. So I hope you guys like that. I am going to continue working on the Harvest Right freeze dryer video. That should be the next one that goes up, but it takes a couple of days for me to get the process done, and I will explain that in that video. So be looking forward to that. Please give this video a like and share with anyone who could use this recipe. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider doing that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know down below what you add to your chicken salad and what I forgot. So I'll see you guys on the way. To make myself some chicken salad. No.
This is really hard to
Well,
be patient.
Well, you're doing a good job, and you're gonna have to do it again because I gotta record again. You're doing so good, little one.
It's really hard not to be patient.
It's really hard not to be patient. Actually, I think it's harder to be patient. You got this.
Look.
I believe in you. Okay, let me finish real quick, and then be good. Okay. Why is this guilt? So some options. Not some options. Reverse. Get rid of that. That's a blooper. And who just makes me when I'm home. I forgot the words. Good job, little one. We're done.